stop making your home a target. You are almost certainly picking the wrong smart home security system if you're a beginner looking for ultimate peace of mind in 2026. This isn't just about cameras, it's about a true guardian for your home. We've spent weeks testing the absolute simplest, most effective setup so you don't have to navigate a minefield of confusing tech. Before we dive into the top 5, let me just say, if you want the absolute easiest, most comprehensive, and truly beginner-friendly security system available in 2026, then the Ring Alarm 14-piece kit is going to blow you away. But stay tuned to find out why it crushes the competition and see what else made the cut for a perfect beginner experience. Kicking us off at number 5, we have the Google Nest Cam Outdoor. Its best features are undeniably its superb video quality, those incredibly smart alerts that can differentiate between people, animals, and vehicles, and its seamless integration if you're already living in the Google ecosystem. This is for the beginner who specifically wants a reliable outdoor eye on their property and probably already has a few Nest devices around. But here's the honest flaw: while it's a brilliant camera, it's not a complete security system on its own, and you really need a Nest-aware subscription to unlock its full potential for extended cloud storage and those advanced detection features. But what if you need something with a bit more punch, a clearer eye on your property with fewer wires? Coming in at number 4, we have the Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight Camera. The Arlo Pro 4 boasts stunning 2K HDR video, an integrated spotlight that deters intruders, and a super-wide 160-degree field of view. Its best feature for beginners? It's completely wire-free and can connect directly to your Wi-Fi, meaning no tricky hub needed if you're just starting with one camera. This is for anyone needing a robust, high-quality outdoor camera that's genuinely easy to set up and provides crystal-clear footage, especially if you plan to expand your camera coverage over time. The honest flaw? Battery life can fluctuate based on how much activity it's seeing, and just like Nest, a subscription is needed for cloud storage and advanced features like specific object detection. It can also get quite pricey if you're building a multi-camera system. That's great for visual clarity, but what if you're tired of subscription fees and constant battery recharges for a proper security camera? At number 3, we have the Eufy Security eufyCam 3. The standout features here are its absolutely incredible 4K resolution, an astounding 1-year battery life on a single charge thanks to its solar panel, and crucially, local storage via the Homebase 3, which means no monthly subscription fees are required for basic features. It even has Bionic Mind AI for facial recognition. This system is perfect for the privacy-conscious beginner who wants high-resolution video, doesn't want to pay monthly fees, and values long battery life and secure local storage. The honest flaw? While local storage is a huge win, accessing footage on the go can sometimes be a bit slower than with purely cloud-based systems, and that facial recognition AI does need a little bit of training time to get truly accurate. Amazing value with Eufy, but what if you're looking for a true whole-home alarm system, built from the ground up for simplicity, not just individual cameras? Our runner-up, at number 2, is the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless system. SimpliSafe's best features are its incredibly easy DIY installation. Seriously, we're talking peel-and-stick sensors, a wide range of affordable sensors, and crucially, optional 24/7 professional monitoring with no long-term contracts. Plus, it has cellular backup for reliability. This is absolutely for beginners who want a full, customizable, and potentially professionally monitored alarm system without any complicated wiring or commitment. It's ideal for renters or homeowners who might move frequently. The honest flaw? The default siren isn't always the loudest, and while their cameras are decent, they're not as feature-rich as dedicated camera systems like Arlo or Eufy. They serve their purpose within the alarm system but aren't the stars of the show. SimpliSafe sets a high bar for beginner-friendly alarms, but our number 1 pick takes that simplicity and expands it into an even more robust and integrated beginner package. And the undisputed champion for the best smart home security system for beginners in 2026 is the Ring Alarm 14-piece kit. This comprehensive package includes everything a beginner needs: a base station, a keypad, a ton of contact sensors, motion detectors, and even a range extender. Its best features are its unbelievably simple DIY setup. It truly guides you every step of the way, affordable professional monitoring options, and seamless integration with Ring's ever-growing ecosystem of cameras and doorbells. This is the ultimate system for any beginner who wants a full-fledged, expandable, and easy-to-manage smart home security system that won't break the bank. It's perfect for someone who might eventually want to add a doorbell camera or more devices down the line. The honest flaw? While incredibly user-friendly, some advanced smart home integrations might require an extra hub or a slightly more complex setup, and Ring's past privacy track record has been a concern for some, though they have made significant improvements. But for pure beginner friendliness and comprehensive coverage, it's unmatched. Alright, you've seen the best, now go grab your peace of mind. All the links for the absolute best prices on these systems are in the pinned comment and the description below. Seriously, check them out right now before prices change. And hey, if this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into tech that actually makes your life better. What system are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments.